Ready?
Yeah.
Shee. Hi. Waka baka chaka chaka chaka. Hello. You wanna go fast or slow? Say hi.
Hi.
Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Hi.
Hi.
And then blowing kiss. Flying kiss. Say, now dinosaur roar.
With the bar.
No, roar like a dinosaur. Nice. Okay, now bark like a dog. Okay, now what does a cat say?
No.
Nice. And how about a donkey? Louder. Yee-haw, yee-haw, yee-haw. Nice. And what about a gorilla? How about a monkey? Now let's try elephant. Yeah, we don't know what an elephant really sounds like, huh? Because all the elephants we hear talk. Like Babar. Uh-oh. We gotta go. We'll be back. Uh-huh. Say bye.